Good morning, everyone. Myself Devangshu Kalita. I qualified IIT JAM 2020 and ZES 2022 exam. Today, I just made this video for those students who are preparing for IIT JAM or ZES exam. In this video, today's video, my main focus will be IIT JAM. I think everyone, most of the students know about this exam, IIT JAM exam. It's very popular exam in India actually. If you are if you want to take the admission in any IIT or NIT for MSc course for different subject like physics is there, physics, chemistry, and mathematics also will be there. So you have to clear this exam, IIT JAM exam. If you qualify, if you get good rank in this exam, you get a chance to get admission in IIT or NIT. I also get the admission through this exam, but later I joined because of COVID or some other stuff. I joined Central University, a good Central University I got after, so I joined there. So today, in this video, I discuss about the main topic and which book is more important for this qualifying this exam and this type of stuff, and what should study and which book, which topic is important. This type of thing I'll discuss it into this video. So for first, if you are preparing for this exam, so first you should know the syllabus part first. So I will focus on the IIT JAM, and for ZEST and CSR net I will make another video. I was thinking to make another video for ZEST and CSR net exam. So for IIT JAM, you first you should know about the syllabus first, which topic is relevant for this exam. So I think I hope you get the syllabus from internet. It's easily available in internet actually. So I'm not going to this part now. My next part will be like book part, which book is important for this exam. So there are actually certain books you must have to study to qualify this exam. So this book is like I will tell you this one by one book, one by one, for every subject. So you have to study this book actually, because this book is very important for this exam. So first I'll go to the thermodynamics part and thermal physics part. So for thermal physics part, there is a book. It's with me. Hard copy is with this book. Garg Bansal Ghosh. I hope you see this. Garg Bansal Ghosh. This book is there for thermal physics. If you are preparing for both IIT JAM or this post exam, then this book is enough for thermodynamics part. Don't need to go to some other books also. Only this book is enough for IIT JAM and GIST. This is actually a very good book. Its price around 600 will be there. I bought from Flipkart this book. So if you study this book properly, and if you understand try to understand all this topic which is relevant to IIT JAM or GIST, then you can easily solve the question from thermodynamics part. So next again, you have to solve previous year question also and some assignment also, along with study this book, and you have to prepare your own note also. So if you need some note, then if you want some my note also, you can message me. I will send you to all this note. And next, statistical mechanics part is there. So again, for statistical mechanics, same book. This book you can follow, same book. Actually, for IIT JAM, statistical mechanics part is just introduction level of thing is there. No need to go some advanced level of statistical mechanics. So you don't need to go to some extra book for statistical mechanics. So this book, there is a topic at the end of this book. There is a statistical mechanics chapter is there. So you may study statistical mechanics from here also. No need to go to extra book for a particular book for statistical mechanics. And one thing is that IIT JAM question pattern is very not that much complex, not that much tough like GIST and CSR net all other exam. So if you study basic things also, you will easily qualify this exam, but you have to study properly. That's the thing. And next I'll go to the electrodynamics EMT part, EMT book. This is the book actually, EMT. Electrodynamics book, David J. Griffith book. This is a famous book and it's like one man army type book. Actually, if you are preparing for ZEST and CSR native and also this book is enough. No need to go to other book to understand some concept or other things. But you may follow some other books also for question solving or this type of thing. But this is the one man army book for electrodynamics, EMT part, and electrodynamics and magnetostatics part. So if you study this book properly and if you solve previous year question again and assignment, all this type of stuff, then it's if you can easily solve the question from IIT JAM part and even just also. So these three book I covered, and solid state physics is there. This is the book, solid state physics, Puri Babbar book. I hope you will know about this book, Puri Babbar book. So for solid state physics, there are certain other books also they are available like Kittel or other thing. But if you are only preparing for IIT JAM, then no need to go to the Kittel or other stuff. Actually, Kittel book is little difficult to understand, and it's question and its language also a little complex type. So it's better to go only Puri Babbar book. This book, Puri Babbar book, this book. Puri Babbar book. So if you study from this book, then also it's enough for IIT JAM. I already told you, it's IIT JAM question is not that much complex, and it's some basic type question will be there. So no need to go other like complex level of thing. So you may study from this book, Puri Babbar book also. And next, I'll go to the quantum mechanics part. So for quantum mechanics, you can study this book, H.C. Verma book. And if you are only preparing for IIT JAM, that H.C. Verma book is be enough for quantum mechanics part, because again here also question will be some basic part will be there for IIT JAM syllabus. Don't need to go to the spin part or other complex thing, complex level of thing for IIT JAM. So for only IIT JAM, H.C. Verma book is enough if you are preparing only for IIT JAM. But if you are preparing for ZEST and CSRNet, then you should go to some other books also, like Jetli book is there, and Griffith also will be there. You should study this book also. But again, for IIT JAM, only this book, it's Verma book, and plus assignment, plus previous year's question, then this will be enough for quantum mechanics part. And next, again, what's left? Electronics left, electronics. And for electronics, this book, Bolster book. I hope you all know about this book, I think. So again, for electronics, for analog part, you will get everything here from this book, and for digital part, you should go to other books. You may go to other books also, but I studied from Coaching Institute Note. I downloaded PDF from website, and from there I studied analog part. Sorry, digital part. Actually, digital part is not that much. So much broad level of thing is there for IIT JAM syllabus. So it's little introductory part is there for digital electronics. So don't need to go to some, actually don't need to go to some particular book for this digital part. So you may study from anywhere, like in internet also you'll find some PDF for digital electronics. You may download this and you may study this way. Don't need to go so much complex level of thing for digital electronics part. And for analog, this book I already told you that Boyle State book you may study, you may prefer this book. And if you are find little difficulties to understand, some people actually find little difficult to understand this book, then you may go to the other book also. Other book also available for this analog electronics. So I think you understand all which book you have to study and which part. I'll take the part later. And then next, optics is there. Optics, I studied this book, optics, for optics, Big Host and Kezi Mozumdar book is there. And you may go to the Ajay Ghatak book also. But I have not studied yet that book. Ajay Ghatak book I have not studied yet. So I cannot say anything about this book. But most of the student and my friend told me that that book also good. Advaita book also good, very good book. So you may study that book also, or this book also, Biko's book also. I personally studied this book, Biko's book and Kezi Muzumdar book for optics part. And next left, mechanics left, and what's left? Mathematical left, and wave and oscillation is left, I think. So for mechanics, you may go for IIT JAM exam. Mechanics will be only Newtonian mechanics will be there. Lagrangian and Hamiltonian will be not there for IIT JAM. So for Newtonian mechanics, you should go to the that book. H.C. Verma book is there one. It's Concept of Physics by H.C. Verma. I think everyone know about this book because it's a famous book for class 11, 12 student. For JEE Advanced, JEE Mains and NEET preparation. This book is very famous. So you may go to this book for mechanics part for IIT. And for JEST exam, you need to go some. There will be Hamiltonian mechanics will also be there, and Lagrangian also will be there. So you have to go some other book also for JEST exam. But for only IIT JAM, H.C. Verma, Concept of Physics. And again, next, mathematical physics. And for mathematical physics, you may study H.K. Das book. And actually, for mathematical physics, for different units, you may find different books better explaining all these things. So there is not any particular. I have not find any particular book that this book only for mathematical physics. Everything is covered properly. Every concept is understandable, and everything will be fine like this. In particular book, I have not find yet. So you may go different types of book according to your um, uh, according to your comfortable level. So you may go different types of book for mathematical physics. And next is wave and oscillation is left. So for wave and oscillation, you may go to the Brijlal and Subramaniam book. This book is famous actually. I do not have any hard copy for this book. If you are, you may find this book in internet. PDF is available in internet. So you may download this book. You just say you have to type Wave and Oscillation by Brijlal and Subramaniam. Then you get this book. This is also good book actually. If you are preparing for IIT JAM, then this book is enough for Wave and Oscillation part. And next, what's left? Next, I think I covered every topic. I covered every topic, and I covered, yeah, actually I covered. And next, you have to solve previous year question paper also, and you may buy some book, solve previous year question book. You will easily find in Flipkart, Amazon, or any local market. So you have to study this also. Like if you solve the question, then you get the idea which topic, what type of question is asked, particularly for this exam. So that's also important. And again, you have to solve some assignment also. Like it's also available. If you search in internet, you may find the assignment part also be there. And next, if there are certain actually coaching institute also there for IT exam preparation. So you may go to their website and you may download some notes from the coaching institute also. Actually, I also downloaded some PDF of their note. There are some coaching institute is there, like career endeavor is there, and physics by physics is there. So you may download their PDF and you get the idea what type of thing actually they taught actually for student. And this actually important, very important, because if you are going to study all this thing through the by this only reading this book, then uh, it will time consumable actually. So it takes so much time to understand all this thing through book. So if you go gone through this coaching institute like notes and all the other stuff, then it little helpful. It will help you to enhance your preparation. So you have to go this type of stuff also, coaching institute stuff also. And next one book I will mention. There is one other book also. Let me This book. I hope you see this book. This is also coaching institute book, trajectory education, this type, Samvedna publication book. This is also coaching institute book, but it's available. Its price is less, very less, and it's available in Flipkart or Amazon. You may buy this book also. For IIT JAM, they made a series of book for every topic like EMT, classical mechanics, and modern physics, all these things. So you may buy this book also. This is actually a very good book, for particularly for IIT JAM exam. And I also studied this book during my preparation time. So basically, it's a mechanics and EMT book is very, I find very good in that book, and I particularly mainly I studied this book for EMT and mechanics part. So you may study this book also. And other thing, it's I already told you that ITSM exam is not that much tough. If you're preparing very all this type of going through all this type of book and preparing your own note and solve previous year question and assignment part and going through some coaching institute stuff that I already mentioned. And if you are preparing this way, after 4 to 5 months of preparation, then you easily qualify this exam, ITSM exam. And for Zest and CSRNet, it's a little difficult. It needs some more time and needs you have to study a little more book and more topic. So it's a little difficult, more difficult than the ITSM exam. So I'll make another video for Zest and ITSM, Zest and CSRNet for this. So I hope today you understand which book and which topic is important for which how to study for ITSM exam. So I hope you understand this.